Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be ranking different Pokemon. So like you can see here, I've got the evolutions, I've got the Pokemon types, legendary Pokemon and Mega Evolution Pokemon. So join me today as I show you my opinion on all of them. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing, it does help. Leave a like and comment. Do you agree? Does you disagree? Whatever your opinion is, just comment it. I will definitely be looking at everyone. So let's get straight into this video. Okay, so first we're doing the evolutions. So we've got the best, good, average, meh, and least favorites. So these are all the evolutions except for Eevee. I don't know why Eevee is not included. So we're starting off with Flareon. I would say it's average. It's not my favorite because it does seem plain compared to some of the other evolutions. Then we got Sylveon, the best evolution, even though I'm not a fan of pink, but Sylveon is the best evolution in my opinion. She's even in my car as a little plushie, so that's how great she is. Okay, then we got Umbreon, definitely one of my favorites, especially its shiny form, so you're gonna be good. Then we got Vaporeon. I'd also say it's average. Doesn't stick out as much to me, in my opinion. Then we've got Espeon. Espeon is really good. Also a bit plain, but not as plain as the rest due to its two tails. Jolteon. I really do like Jolteon. It's still better than these two. Then Leafeon, I like Leafeon. It's a good evolution. Then we do have Glaceon. So Glaceon, I would say it's not better than Leafeon, but not worse than Flareon. So I might put you in front in average. Still better than these two, but yeah. So this is my ranking of the evolutions. So let's go to the next quiz of the, or next tier list, should I say, of the Pokemon typings. Okay, so we've got our Pokemon typings now. So it's the best type, a great type, a solid type, a meh type, and the worst type. So we've got them all, I believe. Yes, okay, we do have them all. So, bug type. Well, since I've learned to use Leavanny, I've got some more loving for the bug type Pokemon. So I'm still just gonna say it's a solid type. Not all bug type Pokemon are the best, but Leavanny is top tier in it. So dog type, the dog type. What I'm thinking about is it's a great type. Got a few great Pokemon. For example, Hydreigon, I believe, is a dark type. Dark Dragon. Please do not roast me if that's wrong. Absol, I think, as well, and of course Umbreon. So it's a great type. Dragon. So I'm not gonna say anything about that. Dragon is one of my favorite types. Dragons in general I do like, so that's why it's there. Electric type, it's a great type. So helpful. Obviously we got Pikachu, but a few other electric types I do like. Obviously they got the Pikachu clones, which Mimikyu is my favorite, but it's not an electric type, of course. So I'd say, yeah, the Shinx line is great. So then we got the Fairy type, the newest type of them all. Definitely up there. just because of how destructive it can be against dragons. And if you go on the fairy tales and those stuff, that's why it's on the top with dragon. My favorite fairy type will most likely be Sylveon. And if Galarian Ponyta was at the start a fairy type, that would definitely be one, but I think it starts with the main psychic type. The fighting type kind of meh to me. We have some solid Pokemon, but not my favorite. Fire type, it's also solid. Obviously, it's one of the 3 primary types, including grass and water, so it's a solid type. Flying, I'd say it's also meh. Not that impressive. Just literally those who can fly, not even bird type. Ghost type is also one of my favorites. I'd actually say they're very so ghost types in general are my favorites. For example, Giratina, Mimikyu in this case, so very good type. Then we got the grass type. I'm not going to put it as solid. It's not the best, but not the worst either. Obviously, it's a primary type, so it's going to be there. I'm not a fan of ground type. Sorry about that, but it's not my favorite. So then we do have the ice type. Very good type, so I'm going to put it in great. Better than in the trip. Now that I think about it, Bug will obviously be up and back. You are still better than fighting. Normal type, it's meh. Still better than fighting though, but meh. Even though my favorite Pokemon is normal type, but he can have any type he wants. Poison type, it's solid. I think maybe better than those as well. Toxtricity is definitely my favorite poison type, as well as Toxel. Very cute Pokemon. Psychic type is also a great type. Imagine having the power to literally let anything float and stuff. That's great. Not a fan of rock types, so just don't fight them. Like ground types and rock types would basically be the same, but I don't know. Steel type is great as well. That's about all I can say. In water is also a solid type, still better than bug, but the main type. So yeah, this is me ranking my favorite Pokemon type. So my top tier ones are Ghost, Dragon, and Fairy. The least ones I like are ground and rain. Let's move on to the legendary ones. Okay, so let's get into the legendary ones. So we got God tier, great, cool, neutral, meh, and why do we exist? So let's start with the literal god of Pokemon. We're going with Arceus. It's a great legendary, I'm gonna say. It does look like it's mythicals as well though. Articuno, it's also great. I do like Articuno. It's my favorite between the 3 birds. Azelf, it's meh. Celebi, it's cool. Cobalion is cool. Cosmoem, why do you exist? Cosmog, it's very cute, so I'm gonna put it in now. I'm gonna say cool, more for it's aesthetic. Cresselia, it's meh. Darkrai is cool. Then we got the different forms of Deoxys. I'm gonna throw them together in this case. I'm gonna say neutral. I'm not the biggest fan of them, but I don't dislike them as much as those below. Dialga, definitely one of my favorites. Then Mega Diancie, it's cool. but then its regular one is meh. Then the first of the three beasts, aka Entei, it's cool. Genesect and neutral whip. This first form of Giratina, I'd say it's a great one, but I do be liking this form the most of it. Then we got Primal Kyogre, oh no, not Kyogre, Groudon. Do not put that as a meme, I say Groudon. It's neutral, as well as its normal form. I'm not the biggest fan of Groudon. Heatran, yeah, I don't know it. Ho-Oh, it's cool. Hoopa Unbound, it's cool. Regular Hoopa is also cool. Then Jirachi, it's great. Keldeo with its sword, I don't know which form is which. I'm gonna say meh for them. Then we got Primal Kyogre, definitely one of the best. And a normal Kyogre, it's cool, I guess. Then we do have the different Kyurem forms, Kyurem Black and White. So Kyurem Black is definitely my favorite between them. And then White, it's still cool. And then meh for its regular form. Then we start off with the Genies, aka Landorus. I do like his this form of it more than this. These are meh, to be honest. I actually say why do exist though. Then Mega Latias and Latios. Don't know which is which though. I do know this is Latias, this is Latios. Wait, I just messed up. No, this is Latias and that's Latios. Okay, I don't know my Latis, but I'm not a fan of their Megas because they're so similar. I do be liking you more than your brother, so that's what I'm gonna do. Then we got Lou here. It's a cool one. Then we have Lunala, neutral. Yeah, I'm not a fan of Magearna. As well as Manaphy. It's cute, but nah. It's neutral to Marshadow. Meloetta, it's... Now that I actually think about it, it's quite meh. I know I had a friend that loved Meloetta, but I just can't. Then we've got Mesprit. It's neutral. Mew, obviously. In the different, what do you call it? Mega Evolutions. You just look like Frieza. So you be there. I do like you the most. And I'll just put you there. Then we got Moltres. It's cool. It's a flaming phoenix thingy. Okay, then we got the different Necrozma forms. Dawn Wings and Dusk Wings, or of Dusk Mane, something like that. So don't quote me on any of these. You do be looking cool though. But you be quite a disappointment. Then we've got Palkia. It's also a great legendary. Why do you even exist? Raikou. It's a great one. Not gonna lie. Then we got Mega Rayquaza. Based on its shiny form, it's also very great. And then normal Rayquaza. It's cool. Regice. I'm neutral to Regice, to be honest. Regigigas, meh. Regirock, it's neutral. Registeel is also neutral. Reshiram, it's one of my favorites as well. Shaman, it's very cute. I'm gonna put you in cool. And the Sky form is neutral. Then we got Solgaleo. It's cool. Don't like the typing, but it's cool. Suicune, it's also cool. Then we start with the Tapus. Yeah, I'll just throw you there. Put you up here, and you here, and you there. Not gonna say anything, and also you just meh. Then we've got Thunderous. Why do you exist? You definitely being one of the best ones in this form. Why do you even exist? Yeah, I don't like you at all. Big Teeny is great, especially its shiny form. Virizion, definitely a cool one. Volcanion, it's meh considering the hype it had about being the first water fire type. So I had higher hopes on this. Then we've got Xerneas and Yveltal. Definitely a great legend. I think they're both great, to be honest. One represents life, the other one death or destruction, so that's very good. Zapdos I'm neutral with. Zekrom can be great. Zeraora. Yeah, it's Zeraora, I think. Now I'm starting to speak because I know you're all gonna make memes of it, so I do like you. Then we've got the different forms of Zygarde. It's neutral, it's basically just a dog. You be awesome. And you, I'm also neutral. Then we've got the last one, Thunderous's other form. So this is my ranking of all the legendaries and mythicals by the looks of it. Please do not bite my head off because these are my top picks and these are my lowest picks. So off to our last one, and that would be Mega Evolutions. Okay, so we're doing the Mega Evolutions now next. So these are the criteria I'm going to base them off. So basically most improved as a design, most logical next step in evolution, slight step up in aesthetic, equal in aesthetic, slight step down in aesthetic, and major step down in aesthetic. So if I'm gonna put it in simple, the best, cool, could be better, neutral, meh, and fail. So I already see one who's gonna be a fail. I'm not a fan of Mega Alakazam. Mega Gyarados. I would say it's equal, though I'm not the biggest fan, but it's also not terrible. Then Mega Aerodactyl. I do like it, so it's a slight step up in aesthetic, definitely. Scissor, I'd say definitely stays the same in equal aesthetic. Mega Houndoom, I'd say it should be here because it's literally the hell dog. So it literally almost looks like Cerberus though. Just need 2 more heads, then it's fine. Then Mega Tyranitar, I just forgot his name for a sec. It's also awesome. And then Mega Gardevoir, it's one of my favorites. Sableye, yeah, he literally just got a big gem. Aggron, not a fan. Also not a fan of you. Also not a fan of you. You are awesome. You look just Mega Bayonet. I think his name is Bayonet. Don't quote me on that. You do look better and more menacing. Then Abomasnow, I'd say equal. And I'm not really a fan of the Venusaur's one. Of course, you be the best. Don't think I am a Charizard lover, but I'm also not a fan of you. Yeah, you also not a fan. Beedrill was slightly better. Then we got Bird Jesus here. I'd say equal. Just got longer wings and head feather thingies. You did nothing, literally. Gengar, obviously on top, Kangaskhan. I'd say that. US Wheel. Don't like you that much. Obviously slightly better Mega Ampharos. I actually like Mega Ampharos, although I don't know how it became a dragon type just by getting more hair, so that doesn't make sense. Steelix is also a nice Mega. Heracross, I'd say it's equal. Sceptile, I do like it. Blaziken as well, but not a fan of you. Mawile is also a step up. You just look silly to me. You got a literal volcano on your back, which is awesome. Altaria again, how did it become? Oh no, wait, it was a never mind. I'm just gonna put you there. Definitely one of the best Mega Absol because of how it looks. I would have added the fairy type to it as well, not gonna lie. So it could be fairy dark, but I don't know why they didn't do that. Mega Glalie, yeah, not a fan. As well as Mega Sceptile, I don't like you at all. Mega Metagross, I do like it. I do like it. Yeah, sorry about this, but they be down. Like I said with my previous one, you the best. You be meh. Definitely one of the best. Why do you even exist? What's going on with your hands? You definitely great. Are you ready to murder people? Gallade. Yeah, I'm gonna make a joke, so it's time to duel. So still basically Ordinal. Why do you exist? Mega Diancie is actually a very step up compared to their normal one. So I'm actually gonna say that my favorite out of these would actually be Gengar, close second to you. Okay, so this is basically my ranking of every Mega Evolution Pokemon. Of course, guys, remember this is my own opinion, so please don't get offended of what I said. So guys, if you did like this video, consider liking and leave a comment on your opinions on everything I did. As well as if you're new, consider subscribing. It's totally free. And I'll be seeing you guys next time. Ciao everyone!